with your 0 to 3-year-olds at home. Number 1, talk to your children in an intelligent conversation and complete sentences and teach the alphabet using things like alphabet boxes that are easy to make at home. Number 2, practice high-frequency activities using high-frequency words like going to get the mail and saying, I'm going to open the letter from the mailman. Number 3, sing all types of songs and dance to all types of songs, and your child will soon follow. Number 4, read anything you can get your hands on. Reread the same book more than once. Read in close proximity, and most importantly, bring books alive with stuffed animals and other characters from around the house. All right, number 5, listen and model generous listening. Ask for details like what else, and let your child know that you are listening to them. Number 6, motor. Build hand muscles, flip pages, use chunky crayons, building the kinesthetics of a writer and a reader. And lastly, number 7, celebrate successes by dressing up and having parties, giving smiles and hugs and tons of love. And lastly, for our special guest, Mr. Hendrix Donnelly from the Elmwood Village.
Horsey. Nay. Nay. And Hendrix. Time to open the mail. I have a letter from the city of Buffalo. You have letters! Look at these letters. That's
It's a bunny, a cat, meow.
All right, big shout out to Jenna and Ian, Hendrix' parents. Hendrix, great job, buddy. This is a great example of applying the literacy tips. Keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, be safe.